Okay, so a trapezoid, as I'm sure most of you are already aware of, but just in case you're not, we'll just take a look at all these. Is a quadrilateral. All of these are going to be quadrilateral, so they're all four-sided shapes. Trapezoid is the case where you have one set of parallel sides, exactly one, not zero, not two, solamente uno. Only one. Okay? Solamente, only. Español. So a trapezoid looks something like this, if you want to put an example in there. That's a particularly special kind of trapezoid. What kind of trapezoid do you think that is? This one appears to be an isosceles trapezoid because those two sides look like they're the same. So you can have isosceles triangles and you can have isosceles trapezoids. But the most important thing is that these two sides are parallel, and that's what makes that a trapezoid. Okay? A kite. You've all been to the beach. Kind of a diamond. Yep. Yeah, I think of a diamond as more being a rhombus, so that's why I kind of mentioned what kids say a diamond. It has a diamond shape, but in particular, in a kite, these two sides are the same. These two sides are also the same, and it's important to understand that these two sides are not. Okay? So they have two sets of consecutive congruent sides. Okay? It's all you, Nick. So, those are the only two kind of weird ones. The rest of them are ones that you probably have seen a lot. Quite a bit. Jacoby, you ready? Okay. Parallelogram. How many parallel sides does a parallelogram have? 4. So we talked about parallelograms a little bit when we were discussing how to represent planes. So parallelogram looks something like this, where this side is parallel to that one, and that side parallel to that one, so it's a quadrilateral with 2 sets of parallel sides. So if you got no parallel sides, you're a quadrilateral, possibly a kite. You have 1 set of parallel sides, then you're a trapezoid. If you have 2 sets of parallel sides, you're a parallelogram. If you have 3 sets of parallel sides, what are you? You're not a quadrilateral anymore. Then you're like a hexagon or something. Okay, then if you take one of these parallelograms and kind of squish it so that all of the 4 sides are the same, that special shape is called a rhombus. There's a rhombus among us. What? So if I took this and squished it a little bit, so that not only are these sides parallel to each other, but these sides are also congruent. Now I have a rhombus. Okay, so a rhombus is a special kind of parallelogram. And then I'm pretty sure you know what a rectangle is. 4 90-degree angles, right? So the rhombus has 4 congruent sides. The rectangle has 4 congruent angles. What does the square have?
4 congruent sides.
4 congruent sides and 4 congruent angles. So it is the whole enchilada. Okay?
Yeah,
No, that's Mr. Schubach's robotics class. They do things in the halls.
Is that cool? They're just crazy like that.
Because that's how they roll. We got it? Okay, so that's all I've got for you today. Got meeting days, short.
Good job, Rich.
So we got lots of time to work on your assignment.